It is time for the elimination. Today's prizes are Miss Bubble Sweater. Votes. Coffee got 0 votes. Quick Squirrel got 1 vote. Football got 1 vote. Lemon also got 1 vote. Dirt with 3 votes is eliminated. The 5th elimination. Huh? Where are we? Oh yeah, meet Lime and Door's Mask. Today's challenge is to make me a fireworks show. Whichever team has the best one wins. Go. 6 hours later. Okay, it's 9:45 p.m. Let's start the show. Pew, pew. Do you like it, Wii? Yes, but let's see the one for Lemon's team. Go! Pew, 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 pew. That was amazing. Lemon's team finally wins. About time. So Treasure Map's team is up for elimination. Episode 8 will release on July 8th. See you next time, and happy Independence Day, everyone. There are the credits, by the way. That hurt my voice. Anyway, see you next time.